I used my tiny brain when I was 8 years old. Yeah, I used my little tiny brain when I was 8 years old. And I know my creation that I made. The creation was good. Yeah, the quality was kind of bad. And I upgraded. The game just updated, so I don't know what the settings. But I still remember about it. Yeah, this is the game. My neck hurt. Yeah, the game updated because I don't like. I want the old game. I want the old Melon Playground. Yeah, this is the old. Yeah, I still remember. I use this map for long things. Yeah, this is the train that I made. I was so smart at the time. Yeah, I like trains. That's why I make trains. And this is the what creation I make. Yeah, I use my tiny little brain when I was 8 and I'm making this. Why do I make it? Because I want to see at the end. And why do I make this look like cool as hell? Yeah. With 3 wheels, not 4. 3 wheels. 3 wheels is so hard to make and so buggy. It's going to stuck itself. Yeah, I make it so tirelessly. This take me so 2 years? No, 2 days because I'm so tired. It's the bugs. Yeah, this is the creation I make. This tire shouldn't not be like that. That tire. Yeah, here's my little tiny brain. But the other video is fast. The train is faster, but this train is not faster because of the 3 wheels. Yeah, we need 4, not 3. It's so buggy that I cannot make it. Yeah. First off, I make this. I use my little tiny brain to make this. Yeah, the first off I make this wheels and this. I start off making wheels and adding this and add this and add this and some this and this and this and a back and a fast beat. And that's why I done it. I still remember how to make it. Well, I just bored, you know. Why do I feel there's the blood in my mouth? I didn't realize that this thing was shitting me. And when I look it, it's not going to be like that. This sucks. And this is the first one I made. Okay, this thing was tiny. And I upgraded it to something like this. My neck is not properly talking because it hurts. Keep going. Man, I don't remember, but the train have this thing. What is it called? It's moving. Wait, I will do this. This. Is there enough room? No. Enough room. Finger maps. Sheesh. Man, my little tiny. Oh, fits. Holy shit, fits. I didn't realize that. Okay, first off we go into the back. And where is this thing broken? Activate this. Activate our steam. front activated. So, yep, double train. I think this is the old train posting in. We don't have enough speed because of this stupid tree wire. Dumbass. I hate it. Yeah, some other people just making other things. Dang it. Yeah, if I type train. Search. They just make this stupid train. Yeah, it's kind of stupid by but mine is cooler. Yeah, that's cool, and that's cool, and it's pretty hard to make. That's cool, and this is what I know I want to get. This is what I want to get, but I don't have to make this thing. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, this is the crane. Yeah, at the lake. Let's do that.